Want to start using TikTok to watch and post fun videos, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the TikTok app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download TikTok, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in TikTok at the top. Tap TikTok when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using TikTok. That's all it takes to download TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.